Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief comparison of Procore and Autodesk Construction Cloud. So first up, you can just type in procore.com or autodesk.com if you wish to see their main page on your browser, whether that's on your computer or mobile. Now, Procore and Autodesk are two of the leading construction management platforms available in the market today. And we're going to be comparing both of these platforms in 6 particular categories, namely purpose, key features, best for, pricing, ease of use, and integration. So starting with Procore. Now, Procore is a comprehensive construction management platform focused on streamlining project management, financials, and field operations for construction projects. Now, in contrast to that, Autodesk Construction Cloud is a suite of tools built for construction design, planning, and management, leveraging Autodesk's design expertise to connect workflow from design to execution. Now, their key features, starting with Procore, include project management. So these are RFIs, submittals, scheduling, financial tools, such as budget tracking and invoicing, document management, field productivity tracking, and easy collaboration for contractors and teams. Now for Autodesk Construction Cloud, you have document management with BIM 360, Plan Grid, Assemble, design collaboration. So this allows Autodesk to integrate seamlessly with AutoCAD and Revit, project management, including RFIs, submittals, and schedules, field management and cost control, and advanced design and pre-construction workflows. Now, what exactly is Procore best for? Procore is mainly for general contractors, project managers, and field teams seeking a user-friendly, all-in-one construction management platform. Now, Autodesk, on the other hand, firms that rely heavily on design, collaboration, BIM or building information modeling, and pre-construction planning. So again, Procore is mainly for general contractors, project managers, and field teams, while Autodesk is more for firms who rely on BIM and pre-construction planning. Now let's try to compare the pricing of both of these software. So right here for Procore and for Autodesk, we should be able to see it right at the bottom, view all products. Now for Procore, it actually has a custom pricing based on company size, projects, and modules selected. So this will depend on your specific business needs, and it might only get settled once you get in contact with their team so that you can specify what exactly it is that you need. Now for Autodesk Construction Cloud, pricing also varies by tool and modules. So right here, you can see a list of all their products and how much they're offered for. So licensing is often more modular and design focused when it comes to Autodesk Construction Cloud. Now, when it comes to ease of use, Procore is known for its intuitive interface, quick adoption, and user-friendly mobile app. As for Autodesk, this is more technical, especially for design-heavy features with a learning curve for users unfamiliar with design tools. Now for integration, Procore integrates with many third-party tools such as Sage, QuickBooks, and Bluebeam. As for Autodesk, this is best for seamless integration with Autodesk design tools such as AutoCAD and Revit, as well as advanced BIM workflows. Now, in summary, it's best to choose Procore for an all-in-one construction project management tool focused on operations, financials, and field collaboration. Now, for Autodesk, you might need it for its robust design, BIM capabilities, and seamless integration with Autodesk design software. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.